Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best Apple Watch of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. Apple Watch 3. The Apple Watch 3, or Apple Watch Series 3, if you're picky, was once the very best smartwatch, but it has since been bumped down by the Apple Watch 4, 5 and 6, as well as the SE. That said, it's still a great device. It comes with a smaller display than the Apple Watch 4, and you won't get features like the ECG monitor on the devices above, but it's still a strong wearable for those wanting fitness smarts. 4. Apple Watch 4. Don't need that always-on display we've mentioned above? The Apple Watch 4 doesn't come with that, and it's far cheaper than the Apple Watch 5. It also comes in both 40mm and 44mm variants, plus a lot of the features are similar, such as the excellent heart rate tracking and the larger display than you'll find on older Apple Watches. 3. Apple Watch 5. The Apple Watch 5 isn't Apple's latest wearable, but it's almost as good as the Apple Watch 6, and like that wearable, it comes with a handy always-on display. That will allow you to see all of your key stats without having to turn on your watch's screen. You've got the choice of either a 40mm or 44mm case for this watch, and it comes with a wide variety of fitness features. It also has ECG monitor, GPS tracking, impressive heart rate monitoring, and lots more. 2. Apple Watch 6. The Apple Watch 6 is the most high-tech wearable Apple has made so far, so of course it places high on our list. New additions in this model include blood oxygen monitoring, plus a new, and more efficient, Apple S6 chipset. That extra efficiency helps improve the battery life, though the Apple Watch 6 still doesn't last as long as we'd like, especially now that you can track your sleep, a feature that debuted on this model but is available as a software update for others too. 1. Apple Watch SE. You might be surprised that this ranks higher than the Apple Watch 6. It has GPS, water resistance to depths of 50 meters, sleep tracking, a heart rate monitor, great fitness tracking abilities, a decent display, and a design that makes it look a lot more premium than its price tag suggests. The Apple Watch SE also has a speedy Apple S5 chipset. It's not quite as powerful as the Apple Watch 6, and it lacks that wearable's always-on display.